Guys, today I will be doing a video on how I get my puppy ready for the day. If you don't know what puppy I'm talking about a very cute, special puppy named Princess. I have to go find her outfit. I'll be right back. Here it is. It's a little service dog vest. So cute, right? She is a service dog. She's for 18-inch dolls, but this is her cute outfit. She hasn't worn this in a while. All she needs is a collar, but I did not bring her one. She's probably hungry. I found it. Now can't forget her water. Oh, since the last time you guys saw her, she didn't give birth. Well, she had puppies. She gave birth again. I'm gonna cook that real quick. So yeah, you just feed while I get this ready. So yeah, she's feeding it now. I was trying to get something ready. I'll bring you guys down to show you. You guys are just red on my windowsill. So yeah, that's my niece. That's my baby. So that's some water. She has water. The water pillow food.